Hello and welcome to my channel, A Hit for Truth. All right, what do I want to talk about today? Something is up. Something massive is up. If you can't see it now with regards to cryptos and where things are going, I don't know what to tell you. So I'm sitting down, kind of meditating. Actually, I was watching Cunningham's, Prophet Robin's, live this morning. I think it was pre-recorded or a live that he had planned. And I had signed up to watch it. And as I was watching, I had a notification. So right after it finished, I checked. It was an email from Dcent wallet. Okay. So I had a video a while back about Dcent wallet saying that they were no longer going to pay in your chosen cryptocurrency. When I signed up to Dcent wallet, like to use a referral link, as you know, those of you who are my subscribers, I use Dcent wallet, I use Ledger. I believe in both products. They are great. I also believe in Tangem and Elipal. I think there's a lot of great products out there. So I had put out a video a while back, kind of talking about, they had informed that they would no longer pay in your cryptocurrency of choice. Mine was XRP. And I remember the first set of commissions that I got from them, I can't remember how much it was, but it came as XRP, which was great. It came straight to my Zaman wallet. Not a lot, but if you get 1 XRP, 2 XRP, 10 XRP, you know what's going to be in the future, right? So that's really, really good. Then they now decided, we're going to pay. This was like 3 months ago or 4 months ago. We're no longer going to do your crypto of choice. We have decided to use Tron, USDT, right? So that's TRX. No, not TRX, USDT in the Tron blockchain. So I changed to Tron. I mean, it was a problem. I used the Tron in my Trust wallet and I get commission from them. Anyway, today, what do I find? They're no longer going to pay in cryptocurrency, and their reason is just an internal management decision. So why do you think they would do that? I think it's a great company, right? I think that they've contributed immensely to the world of cryptocurrencies. But when you see a company making this kind of decision so rapidly within a short space of time, something is up. They stopped paying in XRP because they were expecting. This was like 6 to 7, 8 months ago. All right. And it took me a while to change. So I had to defer my commissions each month because they wouldn't budge. They just, it's like, this is the decision we've made. If you don't have Tron, USDT, we're not going to pay you, right? So now, no more XRP, no more USDT, no more crypto, basically. Guess where they are paying through now? In the email says they will pay only US dollar through your PayPal. So what did I do this morning? Because I want to get my $40 commission. Like, for every sale that I make through a referral link, I get like $10, which is like, it's just fun, right? It's not like, it's there, so use it. But and thank you to those of you who have used my referral link to make a purchase. You get a discount, but I also get a little bit of coffee money there. Yeah. So, but the funny thing about it is just how everything is coming together. Where these companies now, if you are, a YouTuber or a and you talk about cryptos like myself, you probably have had the same experience. If you're receiving commissions from what would I say, the co-wallet companies, right? I'm not sure which other ones have done it. I've not heard anything from Ledger so far. They made some changes in the past, but it's all happening because of where things are going. So they'll pay you the US dollar that I don't really want. I don't want the US dollar. I want crypto assets. I want digital assets because everything is going that way. So that's all I wanted to say this morning. Just an update that everything is kind of ramping up. Look around. Hey, look at that bunny over there. Can you see it? No, I don't think you can see it. Okay. It's a tiny little bunny. The closer I get to it, the more, sometimes I get deer. Deer come by from there at night and you can see them go and they'll stand right here. And then we'll be looking at them. And I'm telling you, those things move so quickly, so rapidly. It's unbelievable. Let me see if I can get that bunny for you to see. I can't turn my camera around as I'm recording. See, that's it right there. That's the little cheeky little thing. See, it's actually, oh, now it's running away. My dog didn't see it. Hey, Bear, did you see that? Did you see the bunny? Bear, did you see the bunny? I mean, he would have gone after it like a, like a bullet. Anyway, so that's it. It was just amazing, because in reality, so much is changing. They're keeping their cryptocurrency. Why would you break cryptocurrency out when you know, like, it's almost like a dumb decision, right? When you know that things are about to skyrocket, it wouldn't matter if, for the next 1 year, XRP is going to be 30 cents. Who cares, right? We'll just keep paying that to whatever. It was really nice of them to be able to pay us in XRP. It was nice to be able to pay in Tron, $1 to $1. Now they're not even wanting to do cryptocurrency, but I could be wrong. I'm not part of their management, but it's just interesting how that comes across. Anyway, if you're new to crypto and you're wondering how you navigate, I have written a book just for you. There's a book package right there. Go into my description, download it for yourself. There's the book, the audio book, the EPUB, the PDF, and as well as the 3 resources that will help you. I hope that you are blessed as you do so. Well, thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.